ऑलवेज बी क्यूरियस, ऑलवेज आस्क क्वेश्चंस। जब तक हम सवाल नहीं करेंगे हमें समझ नहीं आएगा कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है और उसको किस तरह से रिजॉल्व करना है। आई कैन बिलीव इट्स 10 years सिंस आई ज्वाइंड कॉन्टोर। ऐसा लगता है जैसे कल ही की बात है। द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस एंड द एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू इन 2013 आई हर्ड अबाउट कॉन्टोर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, बट जो फीडबैक मुझे मिला वो यही था कि इट्स वेरी टफ टू पास द इंटरव्यू एट कॉन्टोर। तो मैंने कभी कॉन्टोर के लिए अप्लाई किया नहीं। Then in 2015, when the company was closing, so I had no other opportunity. So I applied for Contour, and luckily I was accepted, and I passed the interview. हसन फ़हीम ने मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू लिया था, और उसके बाद जेरेमी ने कॉन्स्टेलेशन होम बिल्डर्स के लिए इंटरव्यू लिया, और हैरिस में भी मेरा एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था। But I selected home builder systems because it was closer to what I wanted to do. That is web applications and .NET. And the other important thing was that Jeremy was very supportive of during that interview. And उनसे बात करके ऐसा लगता था कि he wants the team to grow, and he wants the other person to grow as well. तो Contour में जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया तो Conosys was the first application that I worked for. एंड जब ज्वाइन किया तो पता चला कि जो प्रीवियस डेवलपमेंट टीम है वो जा चुकी है, और अब नाउ हैड टू लर्न फ्रॉम सम वीडियोस व्हिच एग्जिस्टेड। तब मेरे साथ नवीद अहमद होते थे, लेकिन तभी मुझे पता चला कि वो भी दूसरी कंपनी में स्विच कर रहे हैं, तो आई हैड ओनली 1 वीक ऑफ ओवरलैप विद हिम। लेकिन उस प्रोडक्ट को भी समझा, लर्न किया, और विद इन अ वीक आई वाज एबल टू डिलीवर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिप्लॉयमेंट, एंड जेरेमी वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद इट, एंड ही बिकेम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट। और तब उन्होंने बिलाल को भी एक स्पेशल थैंक्स की ईमेल की। उसके बाद ज़ीशान अली ने टीम ज्वाइन की, एंड आई वर्कड विद हिम फॉर लाइक 7 or 8 years सिंस देन। इसके बाद कुछ iPad के इम्प्रूवमेंट्स पे काम किया। दैट वाज आल्सो अ थिंग व्हिच हाइलाइटेड मी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट।
उमैर के साथ मुझे काम करते हुए तकरीबन 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं। ही ज्वाइंड राइट आफ्टर मी। लेकिन शुरू से जो मैंने उमैर के अंदर जो क्वालिटीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी हैं, ही इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट गाय, नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम वर्क पर्सपेक्टिव एंड फ्रॉम सोशल पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल। ना सिर्फ खुद पुश करता है अपने आप को किसी भी काम को करने के लिए, बल्कि वो अपनी टीम को, हमें भी एक इस तरीके से पुश करता है कि वी लाइक टू वर्क ऑन न्यू थिंग्स, ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स। अगर मैं वर्ड्स में उमैर को डिफाइन करूं, I can say he's consistent, resilient, aggressive, a mentor. He has less experience than me, but the way he worked, I learned a lot from him. खास तौर पे जो उमैर की एक बात जो कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं फॉलो करूँ और पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ फॉलो करने की, वो ये कि he listens very well. जब भी आप उसके पास कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके जाएं, कोई इशू लेके जाएं, कोई आइडिया लेके जाए, he listens to you and then he noted everything and then he respond to you in an order that you can understand it very well. ये क्वालिटी जो है ना लीडर्स में होती है, और उमैर is a true leader.
Then in 2017 I got my first promotion, and उस टाइम हम एक मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट टीम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, तो जेरेमी promoted me as the team lead. उस टीम में मैंने हातिम, दानिश, शाहिद और शाबेक के साथ काम किया। इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस। ड्यूरिंग द सेम टाइम अकील भी सर्विस लाइन में प्रमोट हुए थे, तो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद हिम एज वेल फॉर द इंटरव्यूज एंड गाइडेंस, हाउ टू मैनेज द टीम, हाउ टू मैनेज स्क्रम प्रोसेस। इन द सेम ईयर वी हैड आवर फर्स्ट परसियस अकेडमी, जिसके लिए मैं कनाडा गया, और इनफैक्ट वो एक ऐसा टाइम था कि जब आई वॉज द ओनली वन हु वॉज एबल टू गेट द वीज़ा। Then in 2018, I got my another big promotion. Jeremy always told me कि मैं आपको मुख्तलिफ टीम्स के साथ काम करते हुए देखना चाहता हूँ, not just one product. And 2018 he promoted to the development manager position, where I was managing multiple teams, multiple products within the same group. During this time, Kashif Sabir, Shahrukh, Umair and other people, they were very supportive with me. हमने काफ़ी सारी प्रोसेस इम्प्रूवमेंट्स वहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस की, इम्प्लीमेंट की, and now those things are standard. On the onshore side, Cindy Lee, Jeff, Kyle, they were my peers, and they were all supportive of what we wanted to do as the development team. Jeremy, who was my boss, he was the director of R&D. तो जेरेमी मुझसे कहते थे कि Chris asked me कि if Jeremy was to promoted, then who will take his position? So he told me that I told Chris that Umair can take my position. At that time, I thought he was just saying it to motivate me, but he actually did it. And in 2020, when the onshore management came to Pakistan, then Jeremy promoted me as the director of software development for his group, and he got promoted as the vice president. It was very exciting time, and Jeremy was very excited that he told me that not to share this information with my family, and he wanted to personally convey it to them. So he met my family and shared this personally with them.
I'm Jeremy Halbert, Vice President of the Customer Experience Group at Constellation Home Builder Systems. 10 years ago, I had the privilege of hiring Mohammed Umair. On Umair's first day, he only had 2 days of overlap with the outgoing team, but he was able to learn the system, he was able to make bug fixes and enhancements, and deployed a major update on his own that clients had been eagerly awaiting. Umair's always been able to tackle large projects, tackle the most complicated investigations, the biggest bugs that we've got. He just is able to solve problems that other people typically can't solve. 4 years ago, he became the first Contour-based director of software development, and he leads R&D now for multiple business units at Constellation. His leadership and expertise have been vital to the success of our products, driving innovation and continuous improvement across the company. I don't think we would be where we are now if we didn't have Umair leading R&D for our team. Congratulations on 10 amazing years, Umair.
After this big promotion, it opened up new possibilities of opportunities for me. So I was not only looking into R&D, I was also working with people in finance, HR, administration, and other departments. We started working on initiatives such as BuilderGo, Touchpoint, NHLS, Sales Express. Of course, some of the initiatives were closed, but it's my achievement, and I'm happy to say that a lot of initiatives grow into their own products. And recently, BuilderGo and Touchpoint were made their own business unit. So it feels very exciting that you start working on a product from scratch, and now they have their own business units. So year 2023, I call it as the year of fitness. I joined the gym, and I was very interested in physical fitness from the past. But this was the first time I started it with professional trainers, Usaja, Behroz, Anam. They started guiding me for important things like diet and the importance of aerobic and cardio kind of sort of things. In 2023, we also had our first wellness program at Contour. They had different programs for learning and workout and competition. So I won the competition in 2023, and Alhamdulillah, I won the next year in 2024 and the current year 2025. My time here at Contour was very excited. I grew in my personal life, in my professional career as well. Apart from trainings, there are many other opportunities for someone to learn, especially people. There are a lot of people who have tons of experience in their professional field. So you can talk to a bunch of people in whatever field you are working in. They will always advise you, guide you, and help you with what you are trying to do. That if you are at Contour, stay consistent, stay focused, and there are lots of opportunities at Contour for your career progression, for your learning and career growth. My journey from junior developer to the director of software development, it tells me to keep consistent and trust yourself, and anything can happen.